Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. As well, don't forget to share to your friends so your friends gonna know about what I'm gonna talk about. This video, I'm gonna talk about why do I like Virgin Voyage? What do I get from Virgin Voyage? What perks that I get from here? Let's talk about it. Well, I've been working with Virgin Voyage since 2020. It's like 5 years ago. Udah lama banget ya rasanya. Well, kenapa aku pilih Virgin Voyage? First of all, karena di Virgin Voyage itu freestyle. Kenapa bisa dibilang freestyle? Karena kalau di Virgin Voyage itu kalian bisa pakai tato, bisa ada tato dimanapun kalian mau ya, bisa di muka, di tangan yang bisa kelihatan sama tamu, terus bisa pakai piercing, mau di mana aja, piercing di hidung, di mulut, di sini ya, di mulut, di bibir, di pelipis, atau dimanapun lah, pokoknya yang kelihatan sama tamu. Terus rambut juga bisa warna-warni, dan itu tuh dibolehkan sama company. Meanwhile other cruise line biasanya itu nggak boleh sih, tapi kayak misalnya piercing di sini harus dicopot, jadi nggak visible sama tamu. Tapi kalau di Virgin Voyage itu boleh aja guys. Terus kalau cowok mau dress up kayak cewek juga boleh. Cowok mau pakai makeup juga boleh. Banyak kan kalau di sini malah cowok yang makeupan dan yang cewek itu nggak makeupan, tahu nggak sih? Banyak banget yang kayak gitu. Well, that's how Virgin is. So yeah, it's freestyle. It's different with other cruise line, as I can say. And then di Virgin juga kita free wifi 24 hours, which is very good. Di sini juga kita dapat airnya gratis. Jadi di sini sistemnya itu kayak dapat di dispenser gitu ya. Jadi kita punya kayak refill gitu. Jadi setiap kru di sini mereka pasti punya tumbler just like something like this. So we just gonna bring this one and then refill it. And it's free. You can get sebanyak mungkin. Jadi aku pasti ada tumbler buat ngisi air. Jadi private ship itu aku selalu beli air putih, which is harganya juga lumayan ya, which is now it's free, so it's good to save money. And as well, the food is very good here. Makanannya itu enak banget. Jadi di kitchen table, we call it kitchen table, or other cruise line they call it is a crew mess. Di sini itu jadi kita itu di Virgin Voyage itu we have like 60 plus nationalities on board. Dan di kitchen table itu pasti ada not really 60 chef of course. Jadi ada orang Indonesianya, chef Indonesia, chef dari India, chef Filipina, dan khusus makanan Eropa orang putih lah gitu ya. Jadi itu kita itu tiap hari pasti ada makanan orang Indonesia gitu. Jadi hari ini kita ada beef rendang, which is very nice, very nice. We have beef rendang today. Kita itu bisa pakai gym sailors, which is the equipment is very complete. We have a lot of things ya, kayak kita bisa makan di restoran manapun. We don't have any dining restaurant over here. We only have like specialty restaurant. And then if it's not busy, kru bisa dining di mana aja. While of course dengan as per request gitu, kita harus fill up form dulu buat request. Kalau kita ada availability di proof, then you can dine anywhere without winning any, kayak di private ship itu kalau kita mau dining di restoran mana itu kita harus winning some like I don't know, like employee of the month or something like that. But here in Virgin, we just like, if you want to dine somewhere and if it's not busy, just dine it, which is very good. And then the food is very nice as well here. And banyak banget lah ya pokoknya. Kalau di sini juga satu cabin cuma 2 orang. Kalau untuk kru biasa satu cabin itu 2 orang. Kalau di private ship itu cabin kita kru biasa itu nggak ada yang bersihin. Jadi we clean by ourselves. But here in Virgin Voyage untuk perks kita itu 1 minggu dibersihin 1 kali. Jadi ada crew cabin host, which is we have crew cabin host and they gonna clean our cabin once per week. Yeah, once per week. Which is very nice. It's really helpful, Flight ticket itu udah included, dibayarin sama company, jadi kita nggak usah bayar lagi buat flight ticket, which is it costs a lot. And banyak dokumen-dokumen itu yang di reimburse, jadi kalian itu bayar dulu buat bikin dokumen, dan notanya itu harus di save. Nanti pas on board notanya bisa di posting di there is like some form to fill up and then bisa di reimburse gitu. Dan sekarang juga untuk medicalnya itu free, we don't have to pay for the medical. Jadi kalian itu tinggal datang aja ke tempat medical yang dituju, dan that's it guys. Cuma dicek terus kita nggak usah bayar, which is very good. I really like on Virgin Voyage. Jadi, do you want to join with us? So just be yourself guys. So you don't have to be anyone else once you come on board here. Just be yourself, be unique, and be freestyle. Well, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to everyone. Thank you. Ciao, adios.